Bonnie, happy Thursday! Oh my goodness, you guys. I have got so much summer goodness in the FabFitFun box this quarter. Oh my goodness. So I have partnered up with FabFitFun. They do send me the seasonal box to share. And if you're interested in getting the box, you can use my code GIRLGEEKS. I will put that on the screen and down below for $10 off your subscription. So the big news from FabFitFun is that they are now having the most flexible membership ever, which is really cool because you can actually customize the entire box now, pick everything that's in it. If you're an annual member, you have to be an annual member, or you get one additional customization if you are a seasonal member. It's an amazing value. Some of the products in the box are worth more than the subscription price, which is amazing. And they have a ton of flash sales. I'm always looking at the FabFitFun flash sales because there's always so much good stuff. So I'm going to go through my summer box. I've got it all arranged here. This box is actually super pretty. I always save the boxes. Look how pretty the box is for summer. And I'm going to go through all my goodies in here. So first up, I got to talk about this first, Rae Dunn. You guys know I am a huge Rae Dunn fan. Look what we got this season. I got the Rae Dunn salsa and guac bowls. I am so excited for these, you guys. These are awesome. I was actually looking for a good salsa bowl for the summer. I know that sounds odd, but I was. And now I have one. We also got these cute little spoons that go in the salsa and guac. How cute are those? I love the wooden spoons. They did come in the big box here, the Rae Dunn box. So I got the box with that. Everything is always packaged really nice. One of the reasons I love FabFitFun too. Okay, next up, check this out. This is a picnic blanket. How awesome is this? You know me and my beach. I am always going to the beach and I'm always bringing my beach bag and my picnic blanket. So check this out. I love this. You unfold this like this, and this thing folds out. It's huge. Oh my goodness. Absolutely gorgeous. This is going to be what, hello, I am back here. This is going to be one of my favorites, I think, products for summer. And it's got, I don't know if this is like a nylon back. And I think you can just throw this in the washer when you're done. So like, I am like out of this world excited about my picnic blanket. That was so awesome. I also got some other cool summer stuff in here. I got this. This is from, what's the name of the company on here? It is called To the Market. Look at this. It's a lemon tray. You could actually put your guac dishes on here and serve your guac and salsa on this awesome tray. I'm like, I love this. I love when FabFitFun gives us the choices for all of these home products. I'm a huge fan of all of these home products. Speaking of home products, I also got the Corksicle. Check this out. This is a stemless, what is this? It says hot or cold mug. Is this one of those stainless steel ones? I think it is. Yes, I love these. I use these all the time. It says Corksicle on the front. It's this pretty turquoise, and we also got a silicone straw with that. I've never seen a silicone straw, I don't think. I've seen the metal straws. This is, oh, I like this. Check this out. Look. This is awesome. So you've got your straw to go with that. I'm so excited about that. Very cool. Then we have more home goods. I picked a lot of this stuff because I wanted the home stuff. How awesome is this? You know how I'm into pineapples this year, you guys. Now I can make pineapple ice cubes with my pineapple ice cube tray. This is from Blush. It says a pineapple-shaped ice mold, and this is silicone. I am so excited. I am seriously going to make some pineapple ice cubes. I may try this out and put this on TikTok because I want to see how it works. And then I can put my ice cubes in my Corksicle mug. Then we have, check this out. Oh my gosh, this is a AR Plus Cook citrus squeezer. These are always good to have around. I make a lot of lemonade in the summer, so this is actually perfect. I'm excited that I got one. I needed one of this. It's like everything in this box I actually really needed. Then we got, this is, I think, just an extra thing in here. It's the Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier Electrolyte Drink Mix. We got one of those. And then we got some makeup products. I'm gonna do a box toss. I'm gonna toss my FabFitFun box. Next up, fruit butter lip mask. Check this out. This is from Seraphine Botanicals. Oh my goodness, you guys. You know me, I love anything fruit. This looks really fun. I don't know. I gotta check this out. Let me open this up. It sounds interesting. Let's see. Ooh, oh, this is neat. Check this out. Oh, it smells very fruity. Check it out. It's like you can't really see it on my hand. It's really pretty though. I would definitely use a fruit butter lip mask. That's definitely up my alley. And then the final thing I got is another fruit product. This is the Watermelon Burst Setting Spray from Ciate London. And I'm excited about this. This actually, oh my, okay, Watermelon Burst. Look at this. This is actually really pretty. How awesome is that for summer? I want a burst of watermelon. Oh my gosh, you guys, this smells really fresh. It does smell like fresh watermelon. Oh my gosh, this is really nice. I am liking this. It says mist and set with Ciate London's Watermelon Burst Setting Spray infused with watermelon extract. This is awesome. It is dewy. It's very dewy. So anyway, I'm loving this. So I'm loving this entire box. I think it was an excellent value. Thank you, FabFitFun, for sending me this to share. Like I said, if you are interested in the box, you can use the code. Oops, let me get back there. It is Girl Geeks, and then you will get $10 off your subscription. So anyway, awesome box. Let me know what you guys think of FabFitFun for summer. I gotta go play with my picnic blanket and my my little serving tray. I'm gonna put cookies on here and go serve my husband, my daughter some cookies. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys later. Bye bye.